Hello and welcome back to the TaxTron support channel. If you are a farmer or involved in farming activities in Canada, then you are likely familiar with the CRA's T2042 Form, used to report your farming income and expenses. In today's video, we will break down how to fill out this form, what qualifies as farming income, and how to use TaxTron to make the whole process easier. Let's get started. The T2042 Form, titled Statement of Farming Activities, is specifically designed for individuals who operate a farming business as a sole proprietor. Whether you're a crop farmer, livestock breeder, or manage other farming activities, this form helps you report your income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the year. So, what exactly is farming income? It includes revenue from selling crops, livestock, or even dairy products. If you receive payments for breeding animals, agricultural programs, or subsidies, all of these also count as farming income. Basically, if it's directly related to your farming business, it's reportable. Additionally, if you lease part of your land for farming purposes or earn income from farm-related services like equipment rentals, this also falls under farming income. If you want to learn more about farming income, you can visit the CRA website. Now that you know what to report as income, let's talk about the good part, expenses. The CRA allows farmers to deduct a wide variety of expenses related to running their business. This includes items like feed, seed, fertilizer, fuel, and even the cost of maintaining your farm machinery. Other eligible expenses include wages for farm employees, insurance premiums, and property taxes. Now, let's walk through how to fill out the T2042 form using TaxTron Web. First, please log into TaxTron Web and navigate to your tax return. Go to the T1 Client section, and either select an existing client or create a new return. Before proceeding, kindly ensure that the Personal Information section under Identification is completed accurately. Next, please navigate to the Income tab and locate the Profile tab. You will need to answer yes to the question, did you receive self-employment or rental income, and then click Next until you reach the self-employment profile. From there, checkmark the tile for farming income and expenses. On the Statement of Farming Income, kindly fill in the identification details for the period, including the farm name and NAICS code. Next, choose the accounting method, whether it's the cash or accrual method, and click Next. Let's begin with your grain income. You earn $25,000 from wheat sales, $10,000 from oats, and $8,000 from barley. From soybeans, let's say you've made $15,000. From flaxseed, you earned $6,000, and from other grains and oil seeds, you earned $7,000. Next, if you scroll down, you will find a section where you can report any income from the sale of livestock or other programs. Now, let's move on to the next part, deducting your expenses. The CRA allows farmers to deduct a variety of expenses that are essential to running a farm. Here's an example of how you can do this. Let's say you spent $40,000 on feed, seed, and fertilizer. You also had $12,000 in veterinary bills and breeding costs for your livestock. Additionally, you paid $30,000 in wages to your farm employees. Furthermore, you spent $15,000 on repairs and maintenance for your equipment and buildings, $20,000 on fuel and machinery expenses, and $8,000 on property taxes and insurance. Once done, please click Next, and you will arrive at the CCA page. This section allows you to deduct a portion of the cost of your machinery and buildings over time. For the purposes of this example, we will skip this part. Finally, let's navigate to the Review and File page. From here, you can download a copy of the record-keeping document for the tax return. Scroll down to the T2042 Form, Statement of Farming Income, and you can review your net income, expenses, and CCA information there. That's all for today. Thank you for watching,